Hi everyone, my name is Fernanda Riera and today I'm going to present a touristic place, Baños. It is also known as the Door of Golden or the Little Piece of Heaven because it's a quiet place, and you can see in this image some places that you can visit when you arrive at Baños. The first place is Basilica of the Virgin of the Rosary of Agua Santa. This is the most popular place that you can visit. You can see waterfalls like Cabellera de la Virgen or Manto de la Novia. Then you can see in this video how you made melcochas. Is a famous sweet in this place. Okay. Baños de Agua Santa is a city suitable for practicing various adventure sports like canoeing, rafting, rock climbing, bridge jumping, horseback riding, and mountain biking. And for the end, the animals in this place are swallows, doves, blackbirds, condors, hummingbirds, and teals. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching and bye.